So what we've got here are 3 cups. The cups that are yellow labelled Y have the same number of counters in them. These here are the counters. So we've got 4 counters. We've got a number of counters in the yellow cup called Y and the same number of counters in this yellow cup. And a different, or maybe the same, we don't know, in cup X. So our algebraic expression for the total number of buttons is X plus the number of buttons in Y, the number of buttons in Y plus 4, or X plus, correctly you said, 2Y plus 4. Okay, so that's okay? Yes. So that expression equals the total number of buttons, doesn't it? Yeah? Okay, so let's now look at the lesson for today. And I've probably started a bit too complicated, but I'm going to grab this, Control C, Control V, and I've doubled it. Okay, so now what have I got? What's my expression for the total number of buttons? 2x plus 4y plus 8. Beautiful. Now, I could also say x plus 2y plus 4 plus x plus 2y plus 4. And the other way I could do it is say that there's 2 lots of x plus 2y plus 4. Now, the lesson of today is all about expanding. So what we're actually doing is we've got expressions like that, and we're going to expand it to be like that. Okay, so let's see if we can do this again with another lot of this. So if I go Control C, Control V, now what have I got?
3.
Okay, so I've got 3 lots of x plus 2y plus 4, and that equals
3x plus 6y plus 5.
Okay, now who understood that? Hands up. Okay, let's try one more. If I grab that, Control C, Control V, now I've got there. Whoa, get rid of that. Okay, so what have I got now? I've got someone else. Georgia, whoops, go.
4x,
You've got 4x, yep,
8y,
yep.
16.
Yeah, you are adding them up, aren't you? Because we're adding the total number of buttons. So we've also got 4 times x plus 2y plus 4. Because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of it. There's an invisible times sign there. Okay, now I'm going to be a little bit trickier. So I'm just going to grab my original like that, and I'm going to clear my screen. Okay, so imagine that we have that a times. Okay, so there's a number of times we're going to repeat that pattern. So I've got a times x plus 2y plus 4. Can anyone expand that?
Ax plus 2y, 2ay, plus 4a.
Okay, so what you've seen is the pattern that we multiplied each term by the number. Okay, let's just look at that again. If I've got that 2 times, it would be 2x plus 2 lots of 2y plus 2 lots of 4. Okay. And oops, another one. Another one. And another one. So I just want to grab all of that and make a bit more room. So I'm going to resize and do that at 50% so I can actually have a bit of space. Okay, so what has this one got? 6 lots of plus 2y plus 4, and that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 y plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4s are 24. So what I need you to notice is that 6 times x is 6x, 6 times 2y is 12y, and 6 times 4 is 24. Hands up who's with me. Beautiful, clever clogs. So, happy? And upload.